This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the speed limit on this drone. In the beginning, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Now at the top right corner, tap at the gear looking icon to launch settings, then select the flight control category and look for the speed limit, which you can switch between 18 and 36 kilometers per hour if in the standard mode. But if you would like to increase those numbers, switch to ludicrous mode, and now you will be able to change the speed limit between 54 and 72 kilometers per hour. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.